What's up guys, today we are at Desa Terbau to see Plenitude, their newest service apartment, Mandolin. Let's go! Okay, so this is their facade. They have 4 towers A, B, C, D. So now they are launching A and B. So we'll come in front first. So we are at this location at this moment. Okay, so this is a completed shop lot. Here also is shop lot. So this project is surrounding with shop lot. And then this location, they have phase 1 is Tower A and then Tower B. Okay, so total unit is around 300 plus only. And level 1 up to level 5 is all the car park. And then on level 6, this will be the facility floor. Okay, so they even got a sky garden which is located around 30th floor over here. Okay, so the location here we will see over there. Let's go. Okay, so this is our location. As mentioned, this is a completed shop lot, and then here surrounding is also a lot of shop lot. So here is a lot of office and some food, and this is an international school location. And then behind here is all the landed. So it's very close to Terbau, Aeon, Ikea and Toppen is around here. So with walking distance, if you like to walk, you can walk from here up to there. It's around 5 to 10 minutes time. Or you can drive over there, then turn over inside here. This will be Jaya. Then behind here, this will be the mountain. Okay, then if you go behind here, there's one more golf club, and then inside here a bit, this will be the Taton. So the location is very convenient, and surrounding you have a lot of things already. So it's a mature location. So for this project, they have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and the show unit here is only have 2, which is 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and then 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So we are going to see the first unit. Okay, so this is their type B, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and then 763 square feet. Okay, it's enter, then one your kitchen area, dining, then 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So for this layout, they are doing into a butterfly effect, left and right. So it's very seldom you see this kind of layout for 2 bedroom. Okay, so once you enter, this will be the kitchen area. Okay, and then this will be the bathroom. So for bathroom, because they are just do some renovation, so the light is not on now, but you can see the tiles, everything is ready already. Then inside here, this will be the living room. So for this type, there is no balcony, so there's a window over there lah. But it's a big window, you can see it's from top until the bottom. Okay, and then you can see here is the master, then here is the other bedroom. So we come to see the other bedroom first. So it's very spacious, and also got the window, and even you put the land, everything is still very spacious. And then let's go to see the master. Okay, the master is behind you. So left and right means there's no room for the corridor, so it will be much more spacious for the room. So you can see even like we put a queen size and dressing table, and then a wardrobe, still very spacious. And then because it's master, so we have their own attached bathroom. We come to their second show unit, which is also the last show unit. This is type C. This is 906 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So the entrance over here, once come in, this is 1 room, 2nd room and 3rd room. So this is their concept. We can make into a dual key. You just make another door over here. So this will become 1 access door with 2 room, 1 bath, and then 1 room, 1 bath. So we come into the showroom. So over here, this is your foyer. Then you put your shoe cabinet over here. Then once come in, this is the way we talk about. You can do into dual key one. So this is the first bedroom with their attached bathroom. So it's considered okay. You put in a queen size bed plus another wardrobe, everything is still sufficient, and there's a window. Okay, then behind, once you go out, this will be the kitchen area, dining area, and then living room. So why their room looks a bit small? Because they built their living room, dining room very big. So if you want to make it into a closed concept, also can. Just the bar table over here, then close it out all together, you will become a wet kitchen, and then outside you can do your dining. So it's very flexible on your design. So behind here, they also do a small yard for you to do your laundry, everything. Okay, so the other 2 rooms is over here. So these 2 rooms will share with 1 toilet. So this is the first small room. Okay, they make it like a study, a small office. Then this will be the second bedroom, which they built into a kids room. Okay, then the toilet is actually over here. So you can see there's a 2 door, one over here, the other one over here. Okay, so you can access outside, or this room can access straight away. So all the unit here is available for sale, and then the balcony is over there. Okay, so the location here is located in Desa Terbau, close to Aeon Terbau, Ikea and Toppen. So you want to go to Mount Austin, Desa Cemerlang, all is very accessible and is very near to the Pasir Gudang Highway. So if you want to know more about this location, or you want to view the unit yourself, you can comment or contact me. Remember to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.